Hello everyone. If you keep getting this Windows Update error 0x800f0991, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying Windows Update error on your computer easily. First off, you're going to open up your Start menu. You're going to write Settings on here. You're going to click onto Windows Update on here. And then you're going to click onto Update History here. You're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page and you're going to click onto Recovery. You're going to click onto Reinstall Now right next to Fix Problems using Windows Update. You're going to click OK on here. And once you click on OK, Windows will fix that problem using Windows Update. After that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with restarting your computer, then Windows will have fixed that error 0x800f0991 on your computer. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to fix that annoying Windows Update error. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.